Hi guys! So after ng Bohol Butterfly Park, our next stop is Nova Shell Museum. Enjoy watching guys! Oh! Shell Museum.
Good morning.
Good morning po. How much is the entrance?
Ay, saan po?
Let's go. Good morning.
Yan ang totoo po na shell.
Okay. Yeah. Grabe ang laki.
Totoo po yan dito.
Kailan po siya nakuha?
Matagal naman, mga almost 20 years na.
Wow, 20 years.
Yeah. Pero yung age ng shell na more than 1,000 years.
1,000 years.
Prehistoric shells nito. Fossilized giant lang. Dito yan sa Bohol.
Wow.
Nahukay po yan sa lupa malapit sa Mindoro.
Wow.
Yan yung product na gigas. Yung seahorse na nasa tabi, man-made lang po yun.
Man-made, okay.
Maliliit lang mga seahorse, hindi po tumutubo ng gano'n na sa. Ito po matatagpuan sa Balut Island, Davao, sa Mindanao po na part.
Okay.
Nakuha sa lalim na 250 meters. At yung presyo, nasa 150,000 pesos.
150,000.
Yes. Rare shell.
Jenny, this is rare shell, yes. And this cost 150,000 in peso.
Rare shell po.
Yep.
And then this one,
This is okay.
That's replica. Even
Replica.
these big shells right here. All of these are just man-made.
Okay.
Gawa na lang po yan.
So this is all man-made.
And then we have here one of the smallest shell in the Philippines. And
Jenny,
this is worth $1,000 po.
So wow.
This one on top of the cotton.
Very small.
6.1 millimeter from Balikasag Island,
Yeah.
which is still part of Panglao. Rare shell po.
The smallest shell.
One of
One
the
of the smallest.
Yes. And then, mga real pearls naman na natagpuan sa ganitong shell.
Oh.
Ang tawag sa shell na to, mother of pearl or MOP. Ito mismo pearl yan, pero hindi na na-develop. Pag fully grown, ganito yung medyo. South Sea pearl.
Wow.
Like ito. Ito yung mga tunay na pearl din. Tide.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, man-made.
And this one is a sea sponge. Venus flower basket that glows in the dark when it's alive. Or mga bioluminescence. Which means...
From Cebu.
Nagbibigay liwanag sa ilalim ng
Yeah. Wow.
Tapos, we also have the first shell collector or also known as Senophoridae. Kasi these type of shells, it collects other shell and sticks to your own body.
The first
Shell collector, yes.
You are not considered
Shell na nagko-collecta ng kapwa shell.
shell. Okay, yes.
Yes. Yes. That's why it is known as the first shell
The
collector.
first shell collector.
Senophoridae. The living mollusk inside usually release its saliva. So every time when they explore anything naturally attached to their own. Ito, sea urchin.
Sea urchin.
Na-dry na kaya wala ng spikes. Tapos, we have these venomous shells. Ito po, all types of cone-shaped shells are venomous.
Okay.
Yes. Once you sting by the living mollusk inside, it can cause paralysis or, worst thing, death. Pag mga cone shape shell. The one that lives inside the shell, not
Okay.
the shell itself.
Okay.
Yung nasa loob.
Yung nasa loob.
Oo, yung mollusk yung tawag din. Eto, mga sea corals, different types of
This
sea
one is
corals.
unique.
Yes, sea corals. And those big shells right there, those are real shells.
These are the real.
Yan lahat. Tuna yan lahat.
Real, yeah. Real shells.
We also have shells from North Australia or from other countries po
Mm-hmm.
na na-acquire ng owner nito museum through exchange.
Through exchange. But if you will buy it, how much?
It depends po. I mean,
I think it's
of
very
course, not the endangered one. We don't sell it.
Okay.
Just the common and the rare one.
Who is the owner of this museum?
Mr. Quirino Hora, a Filipino shell collector.
Oh.
He collected the shells for 53 years.
How old is he? How old po?
83.
83.
Pero he is already dead.
Okay.
Just this year lang.
Okay.
February. And then there's a shell that named after him. Borsa Quirino
Borsa.
Hora and
Yeah.
Primo Bulangray.
Wow. In this, okay, from Bohol also.
Yes, ma'am. Then we also have shells from endemic here in Bohol. Tutufa boholica, Liria boholensis, and Conus boholensis. And the last thing is, this is where the black pearl come from.
Black
Yung
pearl.
mga black pearl, dyan nakukuha sa mga black na shell. So, if what's the color inside of the shell, that's the color of the pearl.
Okay.
Eto, mga teardrop shape, hindi na na-develop. And then we also have unusual growth of a pearl. It looks like